Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see blocked list on Snapchat. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application. And once you're here, you need to tap on profile icon on the top left corner. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down to the bottom and go to the account actions section. So once you're here, you'll get to see an option that says blocked. So from here, you need to tap on blocked. And as you can see, all the people that I've blocked are right here. This way, you'll get to see all the people that you have blocked on Snapchat. This way, you can find the people that you have blocked right here. Now, if you want to unblock them, you can simply tap on the cross icon beside their name. And after that, you need to tap on yes to confirm. So just tap on yes, and after that, the person will be unblocked. This way, you can unblock all the contacts if you want. So that is how you can see blocked list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.